Check this out.
Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy FIGHTBEASTS here. I'm actually coming at you with some Black Ops 2 Custom Games. Right now, I got a couple friends with me. I got Kay, Renee, how are you doing?
Doing good. Hi everyone.
And then I got another one, Dark Mage. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
So far so good. Alright, so right now we go be hopping some custom games. Kay is the host right now, so I have no idea what she has in store for us. Probably gonna rage, but you know what? Let's just get into it, man. Okay. Oh, we go on all knifing.
You have execute authority.
Alright. Oh. Hold on, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Ah, Kay! Okay, so Kay just brought me into a 1v1 with the knife. And right now, absolutely stabbing my ass, but... Oh, come on! Alright, where are you? I'm second guessing starting this recording session.
Hostile UAV above.
Right here. Holy no, you're not getting me that easy. Nope,
Oh
that's
my
dark.
God.
I'm dark.
Where are you? Where are you?
50 steps.
Oh, come. Looks like Dark decided to come in. I still have no kills. And then this woman brings in her care package.
Oh, I
And
got
then
double on that.
absolutely kills us with the honey kills. A hostile UAV. What more could she get? Oh yeah, finally.
You finally got me, but it's your ass because you're coming my way. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Bleep that out.
Yeah.
Oh
Gotcha.
my god, no you didn't.
Gotcha.
You used as a point. I am done with you.
Oh, you done with me? Oh crap. All right, she's up. Oh,
Yes,
okay, yeah,
I'm
she's
done with you.
Oh my gosh, this girl is a machine.
You about to get this work. You are about to get this work.
Oh, what the?
And Dark comes in full of steel.
Yeah. I got Dark. Now I just need you. Ah, damn it.
No, that's not gonna work. I got a present for you.
No, I swear on your. Oh, I survived. I survived. Get away from me.
Present for you.
Get away from me.
Here.
Oh, come on. I did it too early. Yo, it's already. Oh, I'm actually done. I'm actually beyond done right now. Kay, you need to chill out.
Hey, I got a present for you. Where you at?
No,
Nope, that's not
leave me
you.
alone. Leave
That's
me
not
alone.
you.
Leave me alone.
Style war machine.
Oh yeah, that's a surprise. That's a surprise. Get over.
Killer drone inbound.
I'll take a loss for that.
Come on, what do you want to do?
I told
We're
you
gonna do a
I was
little,
gonna
little
take
ring
you
around the
last
rosy.
kill.
Leave me alone!
Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Get drop
Finally.
knife. Get drop knife. It finally worked.
It really isn't.
Denied.
I had you. I had you. The thing ran out of sprints. I had you.
Look at this kill cam though.
I had you. It ran out of sprint. See? Oh my gosh.
Free for all.
Yo, I used to be a god at knifing. Now I'm losing my touch.
Shut up, clock in and load up.
It's number practice, so come on.
Come on.
Yes,
Who's-
I'm okay.
Damn it, Kay!
I knew that was you.
My
What is that?
gosh.
You're not-
Yo, no,
you're
no,
not
no.
winning
Leave
this
me-
one,
leave me-
Kay.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Who is this? Who is this
Damn
in
it, Kay.
spawn? Who is this in spawn? Leave me alone, fam. Oh, the bench.
No.
Dark.
Be advised.
No! Kay!
Alice, good for you.
Oh, you.
Get away
Hey,
from me.
keep it PG.
Get away from me.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Really? Really?
Yeah, now you know how it feels, Kay. Now you know how it feels.
That's how you want it? Oh, that's spin. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, you.
Bro, keep it PG.
Hey,
I'm
language.
recording here.
Oh my god, you bore.
Oh,
Fight! You got one more time to do that. One more time.
I got one more time to do that. Oh my gosh!
That was fucked. That was
We
fucked.
should have a big old like sniping match.
Oh my gosh. That was the closest Of
Oh
course,
my God,
finishing
you
off
do.
with a 100
Look.
kills.
Hey, you.
Finishing off
asshole.
with a 100 kills. Hey, PG.
That's the best.
I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of censoring.
That is the best way to end it.
Oh my.
All right. Oh wait, you're the YouTube.
Oh, I just screamed penis at you. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's going in the video. Who's worse? Who's worse? Daniel Bergoli or Lil Tay? Okay, guys, real quick. You guys tell me who do you think is worse. Put them in the comments below. I'm not trying to start any beef. Let's go.
Oh my god, Lil Tay, all the way.
Lil Tay?
Lil Tay, all the way.
Yep,
Oh,
yep.
come on, K-Dog. Leave me alone. Oh,
Right,
come
are
on.
you still recording?
I'm still recording.
Or
I'm
no?
still recording.
Oh crap.
How does that not kill you?
That is not an unfair advantage, thank you.
Yes, it is, because you're winning.
I'm getting triple teamed over here. I'm getting 3 people shooting me at the same time.
You poor baby Piso.
God damn it, I just fight. Oh my god. What? Why is everybody laughing?
Because someone was
Scream like a
screaming.
girl.
That was a stop.
Sorry. God damn it.
Get off her.
Waterfall, you inside now. Get inside now. Oh. Someone's in there.
Legacy?
What the f***? Guy shot.
Oh,
How did I not knife
I am
you?
lagging
I
so
have
bad
no
right now.
idea.
Bye.
Trying to take down
You
guys are everywhere.
What? Stop it! Ah! There's an escort drone, you No, it's a
What? Were those even words?
I said escort drone. I said there's an escort drone, you
Oh no.
I didn't even see you in front of me.
Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Fight beats on
Who
top.
else was there though?
Finally!
Fight
The one
beats
that
on
ran
top.
around
Finally.
me-
I
Water got-
did better than
he ate kills with a
Kay.
knife, though. Yup. You know, the worst part is you is wrong that for that. Kay, I went even with my knife.
You know what? You did good. You did good. Alright, well, I gotta go.
Like, sharp! What the f***? You're not supposed to be knifing.
I think I'm gonna lag out.
God damn it. You're gonna shoot him, you asshole. Oh, you f***er.
Hey,
You f***er, you brought her.
Oh,
language.
you
I'm gonna
hate
lag
it.
out. I'm lagging out.
Lagging out? Yeah, he timed out.
Bye, Dark.
Ah, damn it. Oh.
Yeah, he was
mute
talking
that.
to Cheeto Man.
Yeah,
Oh.
just mute him. Alright, really? Really? Really, Mage? You couldn't give me like 5 seconds on that so I could kill him?
Because if you get close enough, we got nothing on.
Ah, leave me alone. Oh, come
I
on.
just been dying to see that knife coming at your face.
Oh my
That was
god.
fucking
Scared the living crap out of me. Leave me alone.
Yeah, watch it. Start. Mage. Really?
God bless it. I'm in between a rock and a hard place. Oh, half a second later.
And I still got him. Now, Mage. Piss off.
Oh. Gosh. Oh, take the no scope. Take the no scope. Take the no scope.
Never said I wouldn't. If you
Too
can
bad.
do that, More power to you.
No!
Stop both shooting at me.
Oh my god.
UAV in.
Maybe we should allow Claymore.
Oh, go on.
No.
No, leave me alone.
Allow Claymore.
Take the no scope. Take the no scope.
Really?
No.
Aw, come on. Trying to get one. What the heck are
Oh
you,
my
Fight?
god.
No, the last one is gonna be a no scope. The last one's gonna be a no scope. Okay, never mind.
You were saying?
Fine, get over here. Get over here. I'm right here, back at orange spawn. Get over here.
I'm in blue.
Waterfall?
Hostile UAV above.
God damn it, get her.
I'll take it. Oh my gosh.
Ah, jeez.
Really?
Christ.
I went even.
I went above you.
24 to 20.
Oh, black scope, nice.
Oh, we're back to knifing.
You. Bowl people.
How?
It's called get turned on, man.
Get turned. Bro, you did. Get over here.
Turn around.
Yeah, what is it? What is that now, huh? What is that now?
No, I followed you.
So you got turned on.
Hostile UAV in your
Oh my gosh.
Did you survive it?
I survived it.
Really?
Oh,
Leave me alone.
I see
Leave
him
me alone.
coming.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Got him.
You should have went with me.
Oh
Like,
my
I wouldn't even cared if you would have followed me at that point.
hostile care package inbound.
Woo.
Where is this woman?
Hi.
Ah, there
Right
she is.
there.
Hey, water.
How do you do that? Ah, damn it, sharp shot.
Oh, what bullcrap.
Damn it, waterfall!
And got the hit.
Oh
That
my.
is
Oh,
bull
damn it,
crap.
K-Dog, really? It took my kill.
Turned away from me and got a kill.
Alright guys, so we did a couple knifing rounds, then we went to sniping. Your boy got a dub. He wanted a little more but never came, but whatever. Thank you K Renee for hosting all of this. Thank you K-Dog, Waterfall, Sharp Shot, and Dark. Dead Legacy, I know you were there before, as well as Brave, so thank you all for being here, and I will talk to y'all later.
Peace.
Alright, fight peace out.
It's Leaf and the record. Yeah! It's Leaf and the record. Right!